What are superfoods?
Superfoods are foods that are believed to offer exceptional health benefits due to their high levels of nutrients, antioxidants, or other beneficial compounds. Popular examples include blueberries, kale, salmon, and chia seeds. The term superfood is not a scientific classification, but rather a marketing label that has become popular in recent years.
The science behind the claims.
Many studies have examined the nutrients found in superfoods, highlighting their high vitamin, mineral, and antioxidant content. While it's true these foods can be healthy, most scientific research does not show unique, miracle-like effects from any single food alone. A balanced diet that includes a variety of whole foods is key for optimal health.
Common myths and misconceptions.
The idea that superfoods can prevent or cure diseases is not supported by strong evidence. While some superfoods are rich in beneficial compounds, no single food can provide all the nutrients your body needs or act as a cure-all. Claims that suggest otherwise often exaggerate or oversimplify scientific findings.
How to make the most of superfoods.
Including so-called superfoods in your diet can be beneficial, but it's important to focus on variety and overall eating patterns. Combining fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats offers balanced nutrition. There's no need to chase rare or expensive foods. All whole foods can contribute to your health.
The bottom line.
Superfoods can be a healthy part of your diet, but they are not miracle foods. Scientific evidence supports eating a diverse range of nutrient-rich foods rather than focusing on a few hyped items. Rather than seeking a single solution, build healthy habits for long-term well-being.